Motorcraft parts. For performance, for fit, for getting it done right the first time.
Smooth stopping power is important to Ford and Lincoln vehicle owners. Motorcraft brake rotors are precision engineered for smooth stops, helping to give owners driving confidence. Our brake rotors provide original equipment performance, and they're designed specifically for each vehicle platform. Rotor cooling properties are matched to each vehicle too. Careful attention to plate thickness helps manage cooling as it transfers heat to the cooling vanes. And thicker plates help reduce potential for warping, as well as enhance brake pad life. Our rotors are dynamically mill balanced, helping avoid vibration, and they use a special micro finishing process that produces a uniform braking surface for smoother stops. They're made from gray alloy iron to provide heat transfer and vibration absorption, as well as durability. Quality casting and finishing features include a cast iron tensile strength of 30,000 psi and dynamic balancing. They're ready to use right out of the box, with no machining required and no coatings to remove. Plus, studs and bearing races are included. Motorcraft rotors are backed by Ford Motor Company, giving you peace of mind protection. Motorcraft parts are backed by a competitive warranty, with no difference in protection, whether installed in cars, SUVs, or work trucks. And installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements up to $75 an hour, using the same time allowance Ford techs use. Install the parts that install confidence with Motorcraft.